In this video, we demonstrate the development of report automation. The goal is to improve the management of safety materials across the entity's branches. Templates for the use of occupational safety materials were created with metadata such as name, workplace, address, and the person in charge, edited according to the branch. Depending on the security policy, the metadata can be visible and even editable. As we can see, when a user decides to create a new report, OpenKM fills in the key fields of the report with the data of each branch. The document process begins in the inbox holder, where the user selects a template to create a new report. The title can be edited, and OpenKM automatically assigns the report to a branch, in this case, Store 2. Here, the metadata like name, address, and person in charge are already filled in. Each person in charge, through their OpenKM session, sees the relevant documentation. In this case, they receive the assignment of a report, which they complete with the help of the assistant. The report is indexed in a date format, year, month, day. If we preview the report, we can see how the recommended values have been updated with the data entered by the person in charge through the assistant. If any errors are made, the person in charge can correct them by accessing the metadata. As shown in the preview, the document is updated again. Each person in charge is automatically subscribed to their respective store, so whenever a new document is created or updated, they receive an automatic email notification. Through the reports functionality, we can gather information on any aspect of interest. For example, we can see the users who have edited files related to personal protective equipment. For more information or any questions, feel free to contact us through our website form or via our social media.